Hey everyone, welcome back to Limoneira. My name is Megan Roosevelt. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus and Take a Healthy Stand campaign. During the month of April, we celebrate Earth Day, and it's a time to reflect on sustainability and taking care of our environment. Why does sustainability matter? Well, sustainability matters because we just have this one planet that we share, and it's important that we take care of it for our lifetime, but also for future generations. Many modern conveniences have actually been shown to have a negative effect on our environment, from plastic to excess trash and waste. However, there are many things that we can do in our everyday life to be more sustainable and to better take care of our environment. So today I'll be sharing with you 5 really easy tips for how we can be more sustainable. Tip number 1 is shorter showers. Did you know that just a 5-minute shower can result in 10 to 25 gallons of water? Keep your shower short to save water, which is better for your wallet and also for the environment. When you head to the grocery store, you'll likely be asked, paper or plastic? What's the best answer? Neither. Bring your own reusable grocery shopping bag. Eating seasonally may be more affordable and more nutrient dense. Citrus is such a versatile fruit, and thanks to Limoneira's One World of Citrus campaign, it's available year-round. And to be even more sustainable, use the whole citrus for zero waste. That includes citrus juice, or the entire flesh of the citrus, and the peel for zest, which is packed with nutrition. And don't forget to compost your citrus and all of your produce when you're done, which is great for the environment. Reduce, reuse, recycle. If you find yourself with lots of containers and glass jars, save them and reuse them for food storage, or you can also take them to the grocery store to fill up on bulk items. Use a glass, metal, or reusable straw. Did you know that every day in the United States, it's estimated that we use over 500 million plastic straws? Plastic is polluting the ocean, and it's also hurting our marine life, so use a reusable straw to take better care of our planet. Those are just 5 simple tips for how we can be more sustainable in our everyday life. However, for more sustainability tips and information, check out the link below in the video description box. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to stay connected with us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!